Oh my! How will we cross the stream?
Look, Dodo, we can use this log as a bridge.
Hooray! Eating my greens keeps me smart and strong.
Dodo?
It sounds like water, Roro. Let's go see. Oh dear, this stream is much too wide to jump across.
But Roro, how will we get to the other side now?
Look, Roro, the stream. It's perfect for our adventure.
Wow, Dodo, you found it.
This way, Dodo. I think I see the Whispering Woods just up ahead.
I'm right behind you, Roro. Let's go.
Wow, look at all the colors, Roro. I bet the Rainbow Falls are just up ahead, past the big ferns.
I can't...
That's strange. The water level seems much higher here. I wonder if we should cross somewhere else. I have an idea, Dodo. If we build a small bridge with these sticks, we can cross the stream easily. Look over there, Dodo. I have an idea how we can cross the stream safely. The water looks a little fast, Roro. I don't know if I can swim today. Too wide to jump safely. Wait, look over there. I have an idea. Look how easily the sand shifts when I press down. It might be too soft to walk on. I can't quite reach these berries, Dodo. Do you think you could use your beak to roll the rock aside? The sand here is unusually smooth. I wonder why. Let's follow it. Wait, Roro, that doesn't look safe.
Oh, you're right, Dodo. Thanks.
Everyone, we did it! You're doing great, Dodo. Just keep paddling. was strong.
It's strong enough, Dodo. We can cross here.
It's not long enough. But wait, what if I use this rock as an anchor? This spot might be tricky, Dodo, but don't fret. We'll simply look for another way across the stream.
Oh, Dodo, look.
We can just hop across using these colorful stones. Ta-da!
Look how long it is.
That's amazing, Dodo.
The current is too strong, but look! We can tie this vine to the reeds across the way and create our own bridge.
Look, Roro, it's finally here.
Steady now, Dodo. We must be very careful crossing the stream. Got it! Now we can cross.
Look, Dodo, the vine is strong enough. I'll go first. Yay! Go, Roro. That looks amazing.
Look, Roro, I know how we can get across the stream.
That's a great idea, Dodo. I've got it, Roro.
Well done, Dodo.
Now pull.
Safe and sound on the other side.
Oh, Dodo, you made it. I was so worried.
I told you the vine bridge would work, Roro.
We did it.
Thinking together makes hard things easier.
See, Dodo, if we follow the glowing mushrooms, we'll be out of the canyon before sunset.
Hello? Is anyone there?
I seem to have wandered off the path again. Roro wondered what was behind the large rock. He slowly moved closer to investigate.
If we work together, we can figure out how to get you down from there safely. Just take my paw.
It's okay, Snowy. We'll find a clever way to help you cross the river, I promise. Look, everyone, the stream gets narrower here. We must be getting close.
Ooh, look at that giant mushroom.
Let's keep going, Roro. The stream widens here, Dodo, which is why the water is so calm and still.
Oh, Roro, it's wonderful.
Of course! It's hollow inside. We can roll it across the path easily. I can move this log. Watch this.
Wait a moment, Dodo.
It's smarter to observe before we act. Look at the water pressure. We need a plan to get across this safely. See, Dodo, the current is strong here. But if you push right there where the water is calm, the log will move easily.
It's stuck.
Look, Dodo, you did it! It moved! Snowy, move back! The bank is unstable! Get away from the water! This rock here is strong and steady. Place your foot right there, and you'll be safe across the water. Wow! Look at the waterfall!
It's so big.
And look! A rainbow! You were so brave back there, Snowy. I'm very proud of you. Bono, your strength is incredible. But true power comes from using our brains and working together as a team.
This way, everyone.
We climbed all the way up and then whoosh! We flew right over the big canyon, faster than anything.
You look sleepy, Dodo. Let's rest here for a bit.
Sleep now, little friends, the day is done. Dream of adventures until the... Big problems become small when we think together.
I want to try things instead of hiding next time.
Courage does not mean being the strongest, but being willing to think and ask for help. See, Roro, teamwork is much more fun than doing things alone. Quack! The most important thing is to use your brain. When we work together, no puzzle is too hard to solve.
1 for the team, 2 for the team, 3 for the team.
That was a tricky path, but we used our heads. We sure did, Roro.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.